In this video, I'll be showing you the installation of Postgres in the Windows machine. Just open your any browser and search for Postgres download. Okay, you will find the Postgres official website. Just click on PostgreSQL download. Based on your operating system, you can choose the option. Here I'm doing a Windows installation. I'm just clicking on Windows. Here you have to choose the download installer. So here you'll have multiple Postgres versions where you can see based on your version based download also you can do it. So here I'm doing 64-bit installation. My system supports 64, and since 32-bit is no longer supported by Postgres, I'm installing 64. And it gets automatically downloaded. If it is not downloaded, you can choose or you can click on this option. We are done with the download of Postgres. You just open your downloads of your file explorer where you can find this .exe application. You just have to double click on it to run this Postgres installation. To proceed with installation of Postgres, choose yes. So it will be prompted with setup window. Choose next. If you want to change the location, installation location of Postgres, you can change the location. But by default, I'm going with the same location path. Just click on next. Click on next. Next. So for the Postgres, right? For the Postgres installation, we will be having a user. He is a super user, which is a Postgres. You will be asked with a password. You can give your password. Once you enter your password, just click on next. And by default, go with the same port number, or either you can change it. But I'm going with the default port number, which is 5432. Just click on next, which is default. Okay, so this is the options which you can get, but always prefer default. Okay, so it will not have any installation issues. Click on next. Next. That now the setup is ready to install Postgres on this system. Just click on next. This is going to take a while. So we're almost done with the installation. So we are at the final step where our database cluster is going to be installed. And finally, our database server is getting started. If you need any other dependencies to be installed, just click on this one. Finally, we are done with the installation of Postgres. So let's run our pgadmin. So where you can see your Postgres server, which is running. So pgadmin is a tool which you can interact with your Postgres server. It is taking longer than expected. Yeah, so we are able to connect with our pgadmin. So if you want to interact with any other Postgres server, just click on the server. So we are having your Postgres server. Will be asked to enter your PG server password. If you remember, at the time of installation, for a super user, we have created a password, right? So that password you have to enter here. If you are saving this password, so next time onwards, it directly connects it. You no need to store it. But if you don't want to store this password, you can uncheck this one. I'm going to check this one. So I'm not going to enter the password again and again. So let it get saved. See here, since my password is correct, so my database server is connected. So I'm able to see the data. So once you are seeing this screen, you are good to go. You are done with the installation of Postgres in the system. That is all.